the IPM, Integrated Program in Management. Let me explain the IPM in simplest way. In 5 years, you earn 2 degrees, a BBA and an MBA with 1 program, 1 fee and 1 journey. So most of the students spent 6 to 7 years to do these 2 degrees separately, BBA and MBA. But when you choose your IPM program, you finish it in 5 years. And let me tell you, the last 6 months you spend on the job training, so it becomes a 4.5-year degree program.
This is the most important part. I will make it very simple. There are 2 ways of doing a BBA and MBA. The first way, do them separately. Start with a 3-year BBA. Today, that costs about 7 lakh rupees. Then do a 2-year MBA. An MBA costs about 11 lakh today, but you will start it 3 years later after the BBA, which means the fees will rise almost 7.5% every year. So in those 3 years, that same MBA keeps getting more expensive. So the MBA now costs about 13.5 lakh, and the 2 fees, 7 lakh for the BBA and 13.5 lakh for the MBA. That's about 20.5 lakh rupees in all. The second way, do the IPM. Both degrees, 5 years, 1 fixed fee, about 16.5 lakhs. That is it. Here's the best part. Your return starts immediately after 4.5 years. You are working and earning. Today the placement is around 14 lakhs. By the time you graduate, it will be 16 lakhs. So roughly in 1 year, you will recover your entire fees. After that, it's all profits. Same 2 degrees, 4 lakh cheaper, 1 year faster.
Through this program, students get to do real internships, 2 social internships in the early years, then 1 full 6 months internship in the industry, and in the final 6 months on the job training where the student starts earning.
A dual major, super specialization, deep industry immersion, foreign immersion, and 20 plus micro credentials.
You start earning even before the degree ends.
Don't take my words for it. Do the math yourself.
Come and talk to us
At Doon Business School, Dehradun, just 2.5 hours from New Delhi.